What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I just recently gotten in the mail a couple items that I think are really cool. They are actually working very well for me in just a matter of minutes. Let's get into the video. So I recently went onto this website called TEMU. Now I'm not sponsored by this whatsoever, but I've been holding off for a long time. Sure enough, I decided to cave in and search the website. So I was looking around and I found these things that I just got in the mail. I would love to show you guys right now. First thing that I got was this base plate that keeps your camera, your DSLR or your mirrorless camera at a 16:9 frame or can go into a 9:16. So this thing right here is super dope. I've been trying to get into more of these shorts for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and whatever else. So that's what I got. Second thing I got, this cleaning kit. So this cleans the lenses, this cleans the sensor, and I actually never had any of this stuff to begin with back when I first started. Now I have an actual cleaning kit, and I feel so bad that my cameras have taken a beating over all these years, but I think now I'm able to clean these cameras correctly and get all the dust out of these lenses and off the sensors. The next thing I got is this case, and this case is really great because I've been keeping my memory cards in a Ziploc bag. All the stuff that I'm telling you right now, I've 100% purely honest with you, and this is what I've been doing because I just never found the means or the tools to make any of this possible. Because of searching this site, I'm getting all the stuff for literally almost free. I'll tell you what I spent at the end of this video. Last but not least is this turntable. It's really great. You're seeing it with all these B-roll clips being used, and that is another thing that I got when I bought all this stuff. Honestly, it works. It actually is something that you should invest in because, hey, I'm using it now and it's working wonders, and it's actually true to their designs. This case right here is super durable, holds the cards, keeps the cards safe anytime that you may drop it or anything like that. This base plate is really sturdy and it's holding my camera at a 16:9 right now, and it's doing its job. The turntable is great. It's small, but it works, and it's just exactly what I needed for all these B-roll clips that I'm showing you right now with all these items shown. That's going to end it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to know a little bit more about these little accessories that I got for my camera gear. Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to talk to you guys about it and hear your opinion on it as well. I'm going to peace out for now. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.